Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Booms's Spots. Welcome back to yet another market vlog. So I'm gonna start this video by saying I am sorry. I truly really apologize for the mishap in my last market vlog. I know that my market vlogs are what you guys truly enjoy, and I felt so bad seeing all the comments of you guys just telling me to rectify the issue, try to unfreeze it. I did literally everything I could do. I kept messaging, even my YouTube partner manager. I had to complain. Like, he knows how much I complain because of how much effort I put in, and then for the video to turn out the way it did, I am so sorry. But anyways guys, I am heading to the market today. I have put in so much effort for you guys to be able to enjoy this market vlog today. Trust me, there are no mistakes, there are no mishap, there is no freezing. You would watch and you would watch to the end and get all the full value of this video. So this is me just driving to the UBA car park. You guys know how we do it now. I usually park at this UBA car park, and then of course I would take tickets before I drive into the market. But look at your Boomsy. I hope you guys are forgiving me. Let me know in the comment section. Just write, Boomsy, we forgive you for the last market vlog. But this is me just driving. I have made calls to my labor woman to inform her that I'm already very close to the market, so she should please get ready with other people. You guys, I have stopped to collect my parking lot pass, and I'm heading straight inside to go and park. To find a parking space here today was not easy, but eventually I have parked. It's Ember period and the market is so full. So this is me just coming down from the car. But you guys, I am not heading straight into the market because I need to meet up someone in the car park for something pretty exciting. You guys just follow through this vlog and you would really enjoy watching. Let's go. Hey guys, you guys, I am in the market, and look at who I saw in the market, girl. Make I greet Chacha. No greet Chacha. Because the baby there, come over there. I need to see you, hon. You get surprised for somewhere with the go. No. Enter, hon. Enter. I think see what they see. I get market where I want. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. You guys. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you feel this? Do you see this? Well, thank you. Do you feel it? I will. Hey! Start it now. Put your leg on brake and start. Look at that. Oh, okay. The keys we missed. Give me. I beg you. Give me my motor. I want to take driver for this person with you here. No, thank you. They move me. They move me. Go forward. You get a sip on there. God, I beg. Where they go? Sit down for your front. No. So now automatic. Once you start at the AC go on. No reason. Bring that nash, make a rock out. Oh baby, say hi to me, hon. Sorry for the break in transmission. Better thing this sweet. But anyways, let's start heading into the market. We all are here. Another market vlog, and I trust you guys are gonna enjoy watching. I'm already in Lagos Idumota Market, like you guys already know. So let's just continue. I got distracted. Uzo wanted to show me her new car, so I'll see you guys. 3 hours. You say? I already know what I want by that, so I'm walking straight into the market now. I am going to meet my labor woman, where she's just standing and waiting for me. Voila! Look at her, my love. You guys, thank you for all the support. You guys have supported this woman. Thank you for using her countless times, and thank you for doing her well. Let's start shopping. You guys, this is the entrance of the market. And yeah, you know how we do it now. We start shopping. You guys, this market was so busy on this day. Hey, in fact, by the time I was even done, I couldn't even bring out my camera to video anything anymore because theft has started happening in the market. In fact, there was a lady that was crying. They had snatched her phone from her bag. But you guys know how we do it. We are always guarded. I have done this for, I think this is like going to the 3rd year or even the 3rd year as well. So I'm very calculated with how I hold my camera to actually do the video. But yeah, let's just go in straight and start shopping. You guys, the expression I had in the market today was like, wow. What? Wow. The prices have skyrocketed. Guys, I've not even started and this market is crazy. Oh yeah, I used to buy 9,000, it's already 16,000 there. What's happening? My friend! My love! How far? No. This is my lady I usually buy provisions from, and I couldn't even get a lot from her, and I have stopped buying Nutribomb because Kaima doesn't even want Nutribomb anymore. The girl has progressed to proper adult food and she would prefer Golden Moon. I stopped to buy this tatashe and a paint bucket. He was initially telling me 6,000 naira, but I was able to beat it down to 4,500 naira. You guys, you know that it is time for POS because money has to go down in this market. So I bought tatashe shambo from this guy. Don't worry, towards the end, you guys will get to know how much I bought each of the items. So please stay glued and stay back to the end, right? You guys know that I love this sweet. This is my new guilty pleasure, so I bought it as well. This lady is one lady I recently discovered where I now buy my cleaning items and my Viva, because my previous customer where I do customer was either adding 1,000 extra, 2,000 extra. But this lady, I have started using her and she gives me quite fair prices until she changes and we move to the next person. That's one thing about this market. There are varieties of places you can buy what you need. And this is her just wrapping the items that I bought from her shop. This is her just putting it in a carton and wrapping it. You guys, I shopped for 2 months. Yes, I shopped for 2 months because I'm not going to be back in this market till January. I don't come to the market in December because of how rowdy and crowded it is. You guys, I tell you that theft has already started as I'm speaking with you because someone was crying heavily in the market today. I stopped by my lady to buy my spices, and this is her just bringing it out because I told her that I don't want display spices. I don't want the ones that you have displayed. I want the ones inside your shade and inside the carton, because I realized that most of the ones that they give me are from the display, and when I get home you realize that the Maggi is already softening, it's not the way it's supposed to be, and I end up throwing it because I don't know if I'm not even able to use it. But anyways, I told her and then she was just bringing them out and putting them for me. I stopped to buy diaper for Kaima. You guys, Kaima is now potty trained, but still getting it. My girls at home said they wanted, scents and sprays and other things, so I bought. You guys, see Wasil? Thank you guys. Wasil has been saying a lot of you have been patronizing. Even a lot of people have been coming to me saying they have been patronizing. Wasil, wait till you get to talk.
I thank God.
You thank God for waiting.
For every one of us.
This was seen a politician. Anyways, we go soon fight because they go bring meat for me now. They go car park. Now this cases are the buy now. The normal what would they buy?
Okay, normal.
I bet me tell her she bring my my other things. One page, my say the money now. Wait see what I buy for you. No, I go buy for you. They go bring yam for me first. Meat for me first. See my love. See my love. Please, you guys, keep using her. Keep using her. Beg you, keep using her.
What are you
going to say? What's in there?
Only you are the cheap market for.
Okay. I know they pay. Wasi, if you don't want, leave them. Leave her. I tell you, say me and you go so fight. You say you no go fight. I beg. Swear to your God, no one. Where this get there? I'm done from the market and I'm just heading back home to do quick unboxing for you guys and tell you guys how much I bought each item today. You guys, I spent a lot of money because I was buying things in double. As you guys know, I'm not visiting this market till next year.
What's your name? Okay, I'm keeping it. Stop now.
My girls requested for different colors of expression to make their hair this Christmas, and I bought for 3,500 naira. So I bought this color. I also bought wine color and black as well. So this is the small size, and I bought them for 3,500. I bought Twisco roll for 1,300. Milo was 1,500, and I bought about 10 rolls. Dano was going for 1,200, and I bought about 15 rolls. 3 Crown sachets was going for 1,300 naira, and I bought about 5 rolls. I also bought half carton of this Dano tin milk. I bought it for 3,500. Rose kitchen roll 900 naira each. Nutella 6,500. Golden Malt 4,000 naira per 900 gram. I bought Kaima's Dano 123 for 4,500 naira each, and I bought a full carton. I bought this Angel cotton bud 2,200. A Viva Girl Forever, and Viva still remains 1,700, and I bought about 7 of it. I got this granulated sugar for 2,200. A pack of iron sponge 2,000, and I also got these wipes for 1,500 naira, Angel wipes. Viva waste bin nylon 1,200 each. A roll of Morpel pad was 4,500 naira. And you guys, a roll of this tissue is 8,500 naira. We've completely switched to pants with Kaima, and I bought this Kiss pant for 8,000 naira. This sweet is 3,000 naira and is turning into my favorite sweet at the moment. I also bought this King's vegetable oil for 3,700 naira, and I bought about 4 packs. A pack of chef salt for 700 naira. This bag of semolina for 8,500 naira. Dustbin nylon for 2,100. You guys, I got Fab biscuits, and this was 11,000 naira a carton. Indomie was 10,500 naira, and I bought about 2 cartons. Mama Lemon was going for 1,800 naira. Window cleaner 1,200. My girls requested for sprays, so I just bought them sprays. Hand wash 1,000 naira. This size of hypo 1,800 naira each. Norvex Ultra Clean 3,000 naira each, and this is a toilet cleaner. Vim was 1,500 naira, and I bought 5 liter of Norvex floor cleaner, and it was 3,500 naira. A paint rubber of onions was going for 6,000 naira, and I bought 2 paint rubber. So what you can see in here is 12,000 naira. Lassa chicken spice 700 naira each. 700 naira for a roll of Sonia paste tomatoes. 700 naira also for a roll of Gino paste tomatoes. Sweet corn was going for 700 naira each. Green Giant is actually my favorite brand of sweet corn. Sonia tin tomatoes 1-2, and I got all of this plantain that you can see here for 2,000 naira. The way we eat plantain in this house Knock cubes was going for 1,800 naira. I bought tasty chicken flavor this size for 3,800. I bought the smaller size for 1,500 as well. Maggi chicken 2,500. You guys, spaghetti is now 1,100, so I bought about 4 of it. I bought macaroni as well for 1,000 naira. I bought this ketchup for 1,200. Sesame oil 900. This size of yam was 4,000 naira, and that's how much I got it in the market. All the pomo and shaki you can see here is 3,000 naira. A paint rubber of Tatache was 5,000 naira, and I bought about 2 paint rubber. That's all you can see here. Tomatoes was going for 4,000 naira for a paint rubber, and I bought about 2 as well. A paint rubber of sweet potatoes was 2,500 naira. Ayola pounded yam 4,000 naira. Shumbo was also going for 5,000 naira per paint bucket, and I bought 2 paint buckets, and that's all you can see inside here. Now to the main deal. All of this meat was 35,000 naira I bought from Wasiu, but he has not cut it too because his knife was not sharp. So I will sit down and I will do the cutting by myself. You guys look into it. Let me show you guys. See, it has not been properly cut yet, but all of it was 35,000 naira. I bought these pineapples, you can see, for 1,500 naira, and then this particular big one was going for 1,800 naira. I just bought it because we need it at home. And then pawpaw as well. I bought this pawpaw for 1,500 naira. Fruits are very expensive in this Lagos. Then of course carton of chicken, and I bought carton of chicken for 49,000 naira. My total spend was 635,000 naira, and I am not even done buying. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's market vlog, and I most definitely will see you guys in my next one. Do well to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video to whoever you think will be helpful to, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.